You can see on the left that the original price of Tella's Pro plan is $19 and the premium plan is $49. But after watching this video, you can get these same plans for $15 and $39, which is a 20% discount on both the plans. So without wasting any time, let's see how to get these discounts in Tella TV, which is an amazing online screen recorder. To get this discount, first use the link in the description of this video and create a brand new account. This method does not work on old existing accounts, and the link in the description is a special affiliate link that offers a 20% discount. You will see a page like this. Click on Get Started. Here, you can either manually enter the details or click on Continue with Google and use any of your Gmail IDs that you haven't used before. I will quickly enter my details and click Continue. On the next page, create a password and click Continue. You will receive a verification code on your email ID. Copy and paste it here. You can see our brand new account has been created and we have some basic questions here. You can select any random answers and move ahead. Here we have the option to either use the 7-day free trial or go directly for the paid plans. If you are not sure, then you can first test this tool with this 7-day free trial. I have made a detailed tutorial on using it. You can watch it by clicking on the I button on the top right. And since this is a brand new account created by using the link in description, you can see that after clicking on upgrade, the monthly plan's price is reduced from $19 to $15 for the Pro plan and $49 to $39 for the premium plan, which is a 20% discount. And if you select the yearly plan, you can see that the prices get reduced even further. So, depending on your needs, you can select any plan that you want and click on Buy Now. You can see on the final payment page that we have received our 20% discount. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. If you want a detailed Tella TV tutorial or a detailed Submagic tutorial on how to caption your videos using AI, then you can check these videos right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.